everyone, this is Pranita Ilungovan. Previously, we learned about what HTML is and its basics. In this video, we will learn about the basic needs which we require to write a HTML file and then how to use Notepad, how to save the HTML file, and at last, how to view our HTML page in a browser. Let's get started. To create a HTML file, the first thing we all need is a computer. And the second is Notepad. I'm using the latest version of Notepad++, which acts as our text editor. It is the basic text editor which is included in all versions of Microsoft Windows since Windows 1.0. Then the last one which we need to create a HTML file is a browser. We can use different browsers like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, etc. My personal choice is Google Chrome. Now let's see how to write a HTML file. First we have to open a notepad. I have a notepad++. I have a notepad++ shortcut on my desktop. If you don't have, then go to search and search for notepad and click on the notepad. Open a new file, then you will see a new blank page on it. Now let's write the HTML basic structure. First comes the document type. Here, this doc type HTML is used because every web browser displays lot of different documents like HTML, XML, etc. So while writing a document type, we need to declare what document type we are going to use. So we have used the doc type HTML as we will be writing our web page in HTML. It is not a HTML tag but a declaration. It gives an instruction to web browser that what version of HTML is going to be used. Next, as we know, comes the HTML tag. Close the HTML tag instantly with /. In between this HTML tag comes the body tag. Close the body tag too. And then inside the body tag will come the header, while using a HTML tag we should instantly close so that we should know whether tags are being closed or not. In between header tag is used to understand once we see the web page. It's actually used for the heading purpose because the font size of the letters or sentences which is written in between the header tag shows in a large size. Then I will be using P for paragraph. It is used for a standard paragraph size font size. Close it to with a forward slash. Write the content of the paragraph what you want in between this paragraph tag. Our HTML file with minimum tag is now ready. Let's save it. Go to file, then save as. Give whatever name you want. I'm giving demo1.html. .html is an extension which is used to save the HTML files. I will be saving the file on desktop for easy access. Then click the save button. Our HTML file is saved now. Here you can see that the demo file is been saved here. My default browser is Google Chrome. So when I click on this file, it will open in Google Chrome. Here you can see that the web page is of bigger font size because I gave the header1 tag, and this paragraph is of a small font size because I use the paragraph which is the default font size of a paragraph. Now let's see for an example what is done if an error is been happened. Let me take out or remove this header closing tag. Save again. Open the browser and refresh it. Here you can see that when the header tag is not closed here, this font size is also being applied to the paragraph. The paragraph is also of same size of the header. Now let's close the header file. Save the file. Open and refresh the browser. Here you can see that how much important it is to close the header tag. That's all for today. If you have any queries or want to share your views, please comment below. If you liked my video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you very much for watching.